Hello everyone. This is the month of April, and I know it's a moment or a time or a season rather, that some of us have actually been waiting for, because Bitcoin halving is at the corner. That's any moment from on 20th of April. And most projects are going to be launching perhaps this month onward. You see some projects that will launch this April, a lot that will launch April, May, June, especially at this Q2. Q2 is from April to June. April, May, June. And most projects will be launching in this Q2 from April to June. If you have not actually revisited some of the projects that you've abandoned, guys, don't just come in and be, when there is no more time, and be saying you didn't make more money. All right, guys, here some of you have actually abandoned characterX, and that's why I'm actually coming here to hint you and to update you, to tell you what you should have been doing. Perhaps you've not been doing it, and perhaps you've been doing it and you've stopped. All right, guys, just make sure you take your characterX seriously. This is AI project. Don't joke with AI project. And besides, characterX total supply is very low than for you not to consider to take it seriously. Now, this is my app and this is my account, and as you can see on my account here, that what matters most is your CXT point. This is my CXT point, and this is the point that will determine the airdrop you are going to receive at distribution. Now, not only that, even if you are a new user, before I explain further, even if you are a new user, you've not registered before, you can still get started on characterX. Click on the link below this video and follow the instruction and the prompt. Then you will see register with Gmail, use Google, and then you register your account. Once you've registered your account, you are going to see your app showing in this format or in this way. And you see some buttons downward, different buttons with a different function. These buttons, this, and this. And here, just make sure you follow all this information that I'm giving to you here. And for those of you who are old users as well, who have been doing this before, but perhaps you are not consistent, the first thing I need to remind you to make sure you always do for your activeness on characterX is to come down here to the last button here. What's the last button here? This button. Click there, and then you will see referral and reward. Open that referral and reward. Then you are going to see this time left. This is what determines your AI auto rewards. Make sure that this AI auto reward is running. As you can see, make sure it is running. The more active this your AI is running, the more it helps you to generate more points. The more it helps you to generate more points. You can see my total reward so far. Make sure you always turn it on every 24 hours. Even when it is not up to 24 hours, you can still refresh it by tapping on this icon for refresh. Tap on it to refresh. You can see that's refreshed again. You don't need to wait for it to be up to 24 hours, because this AI has a booster, and then that helps you to generate more points, more CXT points. That's one. Secondly, build your team and then share this with your friends. It also helps you to boost more of your points. Now, the next thing is just make sure you log in every day to claim your CXT. Click on claim free. You see this, I've claimed for day 5. I've claimed today. This one is no more working. It has required subscription, but don't do that. Just make sure that you've done that. And here, look at this batch. Your batch here also determines your accelerator, the rate at which you earn more points. When you click on the batch, you will see different batch. Make sure, and each batch has the requirement. When you successfully invite 3 friends, you get this batch. It will give you 0.5 accelerator. Accelerator is like the speed of mining. This one, when you invite, this one is the first accelerator is for referrals. The second accelerator is your contribution. As a newbie, you get this. When you log in 3 consecutive days, you would have got this. Also this one, 21 days. and this airlight 69 90 days. I'm already on 69. Once I'm up to 90 days, then I will get this accelerator. All right, now this create genius. You just create characterX, create 3 characters and 3 stories, and you end these things. Make sure you actually meet up with this batch, especially all these contributors, by your login daily. And because when you get that, it will increase. You look at this accelerator. I have 9.7 accelerator. You get, with this accelerator, it will boost the rate at which I earn points daily, and your activeness also determines here. You get, and that equates your point. Look at the point I've got so far today, 34,544 points. And that is, make sure you have actually linked your Twitter and all this. You get, now your progress here, make sure you've linked your email and all that. If you click on claim XT, you can see that XT point is what will determine, XT point you have determines the airdrop you get at the end of the event. And then these are the process and the calculation for claiming. But very soon the airdrop event, the claiming of the airdrop will begin. But just all you need to do is just to make sure you accumulate more points as much as possible. Don't dull yourself on this characterX. Don't dull yourself, guys. Take it seriously. Take it seriously. Take it seriously. And then, what else again do I need to get you acquainted with? Now here, you will also see my CX balance. CXC balance is different from CXT. CXT is what can for airdrop, while CXC is your in-app coin to get CXT points. That means you make sure you use your CXC in order to get CXT points. How do you do that? By chatting with AI. You can see this icon of chat. You can see that icon of chat. You come there, you pick your AI assistant, and you chat with AI. Sometimes recording. Sometimes when we use recording, it doesn't work. I mean, it was working before, but now it's not working. You just have to type. I said hello. The more you type, the more you interact with AI, the more they deduct your CXC that you have. And once your CXC is actually deducted, then the more you get points. You can chat with AI, you can ask any question, you can interact, you can learn. Let's say, what's the meaning of circulating supply in crypto space? Circulating supply in crypto. You can just use it to also learn more on your crypto journey and experience. By the time the more you chat with AI, and mind you, you get CXC by logging daily, and also by logging daily you get CXC. You can see coins or tokens are available. You can see that is very app. That's what makes me to like this app. And mind you, this is a AI project. Like I told you, it takes huge amount of money to build AI. This project is one of the projects that you wouldn't want to miss, because they spend money to build this project, to build artificial intelligence, the AI that this project is running with. Then if you now miss this opportunity, this project is not left to you. And also, don't forget how active you are on the app determines more points you also earn. How active you are. Not only that, there is also more ways to earn points. We have team building through your invitation, through your character gaining. Sometimes they might bring up the regarding tweeting, social point and tweeting, in case you've seen it before. Guys, there are many ways to earn points on this app, as I've actually mentioned. Make sure you have batches to increase your accelerator. That multiplies how you earn. Make sure you can also try to build your team, share with your friends, and your activeness matters. If you want to earn more points, your activeness matters. And when you click, I told you, when you click on refer and reward, make sure you always turn on your machine. This AI that generates points for you based on your activeness, it multiplies your point based on your activeness. Guys, That's why if you have not been getting more points, it's because you are not active and because you have not been taking this characterX seriously. Just do that. How do you create? If you click here to create character, you can create your own character. You can see this is my own. I have like 2. You can create your own. You can see create my character. You can create more and name it, and then you can be using it to chat. And that also helps you to earn more badge, like I've told you in the Creative Genius. In the Creative Genius, all these things are what you need to be doing daily. And then if your members at your team are not active, you can notify them. Guys, don't joke with characterX. Don't be surprised by the time they launch and you are making more money from this update. Soft update. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to stop the video. If you have any further question, you can decide to reach out to me on my Telegram community. Join my Telegram community below, and also join my channel. Drop your comments in the comment section. Like this video and share the video with your friends. If you have not registered, kindly register and get started. Chatting with AI is very interesting. You can learn, you can know more. Anything. It works just like ChatGPT. Alright, I will be dropping it there. Bye for now. Don't forget, always turn on your accelerator, your machine, your AI auto reward. It automatically rewards you. Always turn it on every 24 hours. And always make sure you chat with AI every day to earn more points. Thank you guys. Bye for now.